Hey guys, welcome back to Pinchin Projects. My name is Belle, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these Halloween Luminaries using Dollar Tree's craft bottles for only $1. So make sure that you have subscribed and click that bell, and make sure that you give me a big thumbs up so that way you don't miss any more high-end creations on a shoestring budget. Let's get into it. Before we get started, you're going to need these craft bottles. I picked these up in the Halloween section. Also some tea light candles and some permanent markers. So to start, I'm going to first clean off my craft bottles. So by just taking the label off and then taking some rubbing alcohol and rubbing it all down, I just want to make sure it's disinfected. That way we're working with a clean surface for when we draw on it. So for this one, I thought a witch face would be absolutely perfect for this spider web top. So this is the photo that I'm going to be replicating. So I'm going to be using the colors silver, blue, green, and black. In permanent markers, you can use Sharpie brand or any permanent marker. So I first started with the eyebrows and then onto the eyes. What I find really easy tip for you guys is to keep your phone or computer in front of you. You can use whatever image you want and you're just going to replicate it. So that's why I like to keep my phone or my computer by me. That way I'm looking at it and drawing it at the same time. It's just very easy to do that. I would have to say I do have maybe more than average of a drawing and painting skill. But really, this is something that anybody can do, even if you have kids, get them to do this. Fun little project for them. So what I first did was use the black and draw the outline of the eyes and then colored it in with the silver and then like the green for the eyelid and the blue for the eye color. But then after you do that, you want to go back over with the black outline. So it really just brings it together. And if you mess up, because I know it's hard to replicate the other side exactly, easily just take some rubbing alcohol and rub it off. It rubs off very easily. Oh, and if I didn't mention, I just found this image off of Google online. I typed in witch face and this popped up. This is how it turned out, and then all you're going to do is add a fake candle to it. So these tea light candles that comes in a pack of 2 from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using the color black, that way it goes with the Halloween theme. You could add a witch hat to it if you prefer. So for the next one, I'm going to do a jack-o'-lantern. So again, I'm just going to clean off the bottle and use some rubbing alcohol to clean it off. That way we're working with a clean surface. So I found this image off of Google again. So I just typed in pumpkin faces and this one popped up. So this is the one I'm going to be replicating. This one is, anyone can do this. To me, this kind of brings back days where we used to like carve pumpkins. And I chose this happy face. You can do a scary face, a silly face. You don't even have to do a pumpkin. You can do like whatever Halloween character you like or whatever. Anyways, same process again. I'm going to do the outline in black and then fill the inside with this orange permanent marker. Then if you mess up, just simply take some rubbing alcohol and rub it right off and start again. Finish the outline with the black, and then this is how it turned out. Just going to add the fake candle, and that is it. Let's see how it turned out. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you leave me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure that you're subscribed and that you click that bell. And while you're down there, go ahead and share this video or share this channel with your friends. That way you don't miss tomorrow's video where I show you how to make a witch luminary for Halloween out of something that you can find every day at the Dollar Tree. So, you know, I know Christmas is rolling out at the Dollar Tree. So this is a perfect way to still make some decor for Halloween. So make sure that you're subscribed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.